Hello, this is Paul Milligan, the editor of Inavate Magazine. Many thanks for joining us for this video. Could you tell me how you got involved in the AV world in the first place?
My first degree was in communications and instrumentation. That formed a very good basis and a good platform. The first AV type product that we did was to do with KVM, and the KVM switches that we made, the first one was in around 1985.
What levels of R&D are SY involved in?
SY at its core is an engineering company. We pride ourselves in the fact that we do all the conceptual design down to the actual PCB design, system design, getting it into prototypes, and then finally into production. Quality controlling at every stage of R&D and quality controlling at every stage of production. When we make any new product, we keep modifying it, such as, for example, our Slim 70, whereby it progressively has become better and better. Now we are about to release a Slim 70 Pro.
Is there a particular range of products that you are most proud of?
Yes, there's a number actually. If you go back in time, there's one particular thing which comes to mind, and that is our Catex Mini VP. That was unique at the time. That's effectively a VGA extender, both transmitter and receiver, the size of a small matchbox. And being self-powered means that neither transmitter or receiver requires any external power supply, right up to 150 meters. Something very special. A lot of hard work went to make that. And of recent times, one of my favorites is our Stealth HDMI cable.
What are the major benefits to system integrators and resellers in working with SY?
We are an engineering-based company. We can support them extremely well. The fact that if there are any requirements towards specifying products, we can help them in specifying the optimum product, and that if they've got any problems in the field, we can help them immediately, regardless of the size of the project, small or big. We basically pay attention towards our clients.
How much emphasis is placed on innovation, reliability, ease of use with SY products?
SY has always been innovative. Product quality and product longevity is one of the prime factors. We don't build in any obsolescence. One of our mottos is fit and forget.
How do customers view SY?
Difficult for me to answer that. I think it would have been nice if some of our customers would have answered that. From time to time, we do receive complimentary emails, phone calls, just to say thank you, acknowledge the help that we've given them. And that's very heartwarming, not only just to myself, but in particular to all SY staff, to see that they're appreciated and that they are effective in what they do.
Which areas will be the focus for SY in the next few years in the AV market?
One of our concentration is going to be towards IP-related products for AV distribution, also looking at bringing a whole host of new products for meeting rooms, for huddle rooms and conference rooms. We think that section of the industry is fast growing, and we've got some brilliant ideas as regards how we can address that.